Hello to all future lovers. Today I want to introduce another artificial intelligence tool that can create beautiful portraits for you. If you are ready, let's go, but don't forget to subscribe AI Signal. Okay, to get us started, you need to go to the aiportraits.org website. After entering the website, click on Get Your AI Portrait. Here, you can see some samples that you can click on to generate your portrait. Now, you should enter your email, then upload your image. Now, let's generate to see the result. As you have seen, by using this artificial intelligence tool, you can create your portrait and use it in your profile picture or wallpaper. If you like it, like and subscribe. Thank you and appreciate it for your support. See you soon.